Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca. I'm an Education Solutions Specialist, and today we're going to go over the IQ module in the 6265 and using the whiteboard component. So the first thing I'd like to go over is turning the panel on and off and what these other buttons are in the front. The first one looks like an orange moon. When you press that once, it'll wake up the panel. The second button is the input button. In order to change the input, you tap it slightly, and up on the top left of the panel, it'll indicate what input you're on. The OPS HDMI is the input for the internal IQ module. The next button is mute, and the other two are plus and minus, which indicate lower and higher volume. One thing to note, the mute button, if you have your external computer connected and you hold that down, it'll freeze the screen. In order to unfreeze it, just press it again, and you'll be back to the live image on your computer. In addition to the front control panel, you also have two magnetic pens that you can use to write on the board. The black will write black, the red will write the red. In order to erase, you can either use the back of the pen or the palm of your hand. One other feature to note, on the left side of the front panel where the moon button is, there's also a USB port. We'll be talking about how that comes in handy in future videos. To turn the panel off, you just press the moon button 2 times and it'll turn off, but the orange power light will stay illuminated. There's also a master power switch. It's on the back of the panel, about right here. It's a toggle switch, and if that's turned off, then the master power is off, and so there will be no power to the panel. Thanks for tuning in. For more of our Quick Solutions videos, visit our website at cotg.com.